How to fix message not sending problem on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check whether your internet connection is working well or not. If not, you can easily switch between mobile data and vice versa. The second thing you need to do is long press on Messenger app and select I button. Here you need to choose storage uses and tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, you need to check for the updates of Facebook Messenger. Sometimes not updating the application can create lags and bugs in the app. Open App Store or Play Store. Navigate to search icon at bottom right and search for Facebook Messenger. Open it and then if you see any update button on the app, tap update to update it to the latest version. Now lastly, restart your phone to refresh the system. Long press power button on a device and swipe towards restart. This should resolve the issue with Facebook Messenger not sending messages. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling the app or checking your internet connections. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.